be who you wanna be.
What's up, you guys? It's Cammie and welcome back to another video. As you can see in the title, today we're going to be doing a night routine. This is real. It's actually what helps me wind down, reset, and stay sane. Keep me from losing my mind. So if your nights feel a little chaotic or you're just trying to build some peace in your evenings, stick around. I'm sharing everything that works for me and something at the end that genuinely changed the way I sleep. Let's get into it. So after sitting at that desk for hours on hours, it is time to get up and work out. Now, working out is not always my favorite thing to do, but since I've been so sedentary at this desk, I am begging for it, honey. I hydrate because no one wants to be drier than the Sahara Desert. Grab me some coconut water, you know, it has electrolytes, and we're going to get that body right.
Love, it's about satisfying.
I find out you had anything to do with this.
But oh my gosh, y'all, this treadmill that I got from Amazon is everything. It matches my pink aesthetic perfectly, and you can pull it out when you're ready to work out and put it right back in so that it stops blocking your space. And oh my gosh, you guys, I turned this on and walked my 10K while watching a movie. I was watching Subservient on Netflix. That movie is super good, but that's another story for another day. And by the time I finish watching the movie, I've gotten in my 10K steps. It usually takes about an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes. And y'all, I am sweating like I'm in a horror movie and I just heard a noise upstairs. I later found out my AC wasn't working properly, so that explains half of the sweat, but only half. Let's not get carried away because you know your girls was getting in them steps like I was on the step team. Felt like Beyonce on the catwalk. But if you're not paying attention, you will slip, slide, and fall right off of that treadmill because it is nothing to hold on to. So you end up more looking like a galloping horse. And now after our workout, we're gonna hop immediately in the shower because we don't want to be spending like, do you know what soap is for 200, Alex? So we're gonna get that started. Now, this turmeric bar soap is one of my absolute favorites, along with the Natrium, and they both smell so good. They're natural for the most part, and it just gives you this clean girl feeling. I am addicted to that feeling.
Stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby. Work it, baby, work it, baby. Stroke it.
So today I just really felt like taking a warm, relaxing bubble bath. So we're gonna light our candles, we're gonna set the mood, and we're going to just vibe out. We're gonna relax and unwind from the day. I absolutely love using Dr. Teal's Epsom salt to relieve stress and loosen up muscles. Yeah, I dang near poured the whole bag in there, but mind your business. 'Cause it's my prerogative.
time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm up, my killers don't tell. Chateau, I'm up, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is big to Chanel. Know you be my leading lady.
I stick these daily affirmation cards on my window so that when I'm brushing my teeth and doing my hygiene routine, my mind stays focused and it's not running like it's competing in the Olympics. Otherwise, Simone Biles, move aside because you're not prepared for this type of running. The EOS or EOS, however, how do you say that? Whatever it is my favorite right now, along with the Good Molecules Discoloration Serum. It has my skin feeling good, rejuvenated, replenished, and I absolutely love the Sol de Janeiro number 62.
Maybe I love myself. I don't know.
So when I want a quick balanced meal, I always grab a balanced foods meal prep. I absolutely love these. I go each week and stock up on a few, and it always comes in handy when you're crunched for time or you're tired. These come in handy.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me.
Doesn't that just look so good? This chicken fried rice is one of my absolute favorites. And anybody who knows me knows I am obsessed with Olipop. I love the herbs. I love how healthy the soda is.
I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
So next I'm going to clean up before I get ready to go to bed. I cannot stand waking up to a chaotic, messy house. It just feels like my mind is screaming like, can you relate? I just waking up to a messy house, it just starts my whole day off. It's like, I'm getting back in the bed because for what? Why? And y'all, this Bissell steam mop is the truth. Like, it takes the pain out of mopping, and you can tell the floor is like squeaky clean when you finish. This is one of my favorite purchases to date.
Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the AK in ya, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me.
So now it is time to chill out. What better way to do it besides Netflix? I swear, y'all, Netflix got me in a choke hold. Like, let me go already, please. Or make it free. Now, this is one of my favorite parts in my night routine. Grabbing this turmeric ginger tea. Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. It has a hint of peach and it's just so calming. And I love to drink this while I'm journaling and just reflecting, and it just brings my night together so peacefully. Usually, I pick one of the journaling worksheets from my collections. You can find it in my beacons. It has really helped me a lot, and I find it so helpful to journal and look back on the day and answer these prompts to really reflect and help me moving forward. It has made a world of a difference to my mindset and helping to achieve my goals and helping to just be unstoppable, be confident, and push through challenges. So next, I run through my same hygiene routine, washing my face and brushing my teeth, and I do a little oil pulling with coconut oil. I definitely just wasted all over my shirt, but you know what? Speed past that, mind your business. One day I'll get a bottle or a sprout that makes sense, but for now, hey, we gonna make it work. Every night I turn on my oil diffuser and my humidifier. Tonight I'm using lavender for a calming effect. Sometimes I like to use jasmine or chamomile as well. And this is my favorite diffuser. I love the fact that you can switch the color to any color that you love and set the tone to whatever you want it to be, really.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.
And now it is time for bed. I check off my to do list for today and evaluate what I haven't yet done and make sure I get that done tomorrow. And I turn on some meditation music, and your girl is about to zen out. Thank you so much for coming along with me and enjoying this nighttime routine with me. I find that this nighttime routine has me feeling rejuvenated when I wake up and ready for the day. When you try this nighttime routine, let me know what you think. Also, let me know in the comments what was your favorite part of this video, and leave a comment and let me know what you would like to see in the future videos. I love hearing you guys' feedback so I can know what to provide more of. And let me know, what is a staple in your nighttime routine. Also, all of the things that I've used in this video will be linked in the description box below. Until next time, see you guys in the next video.
Let